Construction companies often struggle to accurately calculate construction costs, including materials and labor, mainly due to the lack of a detailed breakdown specifying quantities, unit costs, and required resources. This leads to cost miscalculations, overlooked items, and potential budget overruns. Introducing our Budget Console, which effectively addresses these issues by providing a detailed, itemized breakdown of materials, labor, and resources, allowing for accurate cost estimates and maintaining control over the project budget from start to finish. Select the project name and subproject name. The project type is predefined in the ERP admin and will be reflected based on the project and subproject. The budget heads will appear based on the project type. Heads listed under the budget are defined one at a time, which can be edited or deleted. Click on the budget head to add, edit, or delete a head. Enter the head code and head name. Initially, a ledger is created where you can view group-wise account reports. The ledgers created in the accounts book will appear here. Select and save the data. Click on a specific budget head to directly add material, services, and miscellaneous amounts if there is no subhead. In the case of a subhead, add amounts by directly clicking on the initial head, where you can edit, add, or delete accordingly. To add an amount, update the value from 0 to the desired figure, and the system will automatically save and calculate the total amount. You can also add a remark. Once the value is added, select one or multiple heads and send them to a particular user for further verification. An approved budget head will be highlighted separately and cannot be further edited. The approved budget head will be automatically linked to the Budget Console. Click on the revision provision to revise or edit an approved budget head. The revision number will show how many times the budget has been revised. Enter the project name to view the budget head revision history in the Budget Revised report under the Budget Management tab. Click Save as Template to save the budget you created, including the updated amount, which will be reflected in other budgets as well. To add the same budget that you saved as a template, select another sub-project under the same project and click on Load Template. All approved budget heads will be reflected in the BOQ console under Project Engineering. Create execution activities by clicking on the activity group where you can add, edit, or delete head. Click on Add Head and enter the activity code and activity name. To add a head in the main activity group, select the level and unit of measurement as well. The execution activity created will be reflected under the activity group. All approved budget heads will automatically appear under the execution activity you created. Enter the BOQ quantity and estimated rate directly. To calculate the estimated rate based on the resources generated and their estimation, click on the I symbol, add a new row, select resource type, group name, and description. The resource code and unit of measurement will be fetched automatically. Add the factor ratio based on which the quantity will be generated, add the rate amount, and click on Save. Your data will be saved automatically. Add a new resource by clicking Add New Row and entering the details. If the amount entered exceeds the budget limit, the system will notify you. Based on this, the BOQ amount will be reflected, and the estimated rate will be automatically calculated. This entire execution activity will be reflected in the WBS activities form automatically. In WBS, you can view your resource estimation record. Now you're ready to manage your budgets efficiently with StrategicERP's Budget Console.